expected. Crew was pretty big. I think it was like 12 of them. Knocked out all the windows same day, put all the windows up, did the front door, rear door, cleaned up good. After all, everything was excellent. Can't complain, not one complaint about them. They're good. They're working really good, keeping the heat out. We already saw a decrease on our FPL bill, which helped out. You know, the doors are solid, and when you knock, you don't hear nothing inside the house. So it's pretty good. Everything, I'm very happy. The look of them, keeping the heat out, everything. Very good, very nice, respectful, clean. Cleaned well after themselves, didn't mess nothing up, and came in and out same day fast. Oh, I did already. I recommended to my neighbors in the back already, told them they were happy. You know, the overall price too of everything was pretty good towards the end, you know. So yeah, I recommended it to my neighbors in the back. They asked me about visiting my windows. So yeah, I would recommend them again.